Hi folks, welcome to my 8-Bit Retro Journal. This is a quick look, 5 minutes or less. I'm still working with my Amiga in May for Amiga, and a couple of hardware issues. I have, if you see here, this is actually a plastic 3D printed plug, and it's kind of disintegrating. Let me demonstrate this really quickly. If I unplug this, I'm not going to zoom in, but this is actually a pretty nice quality plug, but these three things actually broke off, and I'm actually having trouble even plugging it in. This is very loose, and so I actually 3D printed. So I have an Ender 3D 3 Max Neo, 3D Max Neo, and I printed this with that, and it's actually it's pretty good. I mean, it wasn't the highest quality one. And then I have in the corner, you've seen this on my channel before. It's a M3D little micro printer, and I printed this, and it's actually I mixed them up. It's actually pretty rough. Like this one has a lot of artifacts, and they both have a logo on them. I don't know if without zooming in. And this one you can hardly see the logo, but in any case, it doesn't really matter because both of these plugs will not plug into this. It's just not the right size. Either they're too fat or they're too thin. I can't quite figure it out. But this one from the Ender 3D almost goes in, but it would require some additional sanding. Whereas this one will fit right in. Again, I'm going to have to. It's kind of falling apart because I had to glue parts of it. But if I put this in, it should go in. Yeah, the thing is, it's not, I just need to hold it down really hard, and then, yeah, it's in now, and I can boot it up again. So yeah, I got to figure out, maybe I need the Ender 3D Max Neo or 3 Max Neo has a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, so I might need to get a smaller one. I'm going to let this boot up, and I'll fast forward to show you the next thing. All right, so the issue is that the keyboard has issues hitting the minus sign. So it's the fifth key from the left, 3, 4. So this is the equal sign, and you can see that it does it pretty easily. But the minus sign, it doesn't always get, and then it does the 0. And I just have to press down on this. Yeah, and so what I want to do is I have a little bit of IPA, and I'm going to just try to clean the contacts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's this one, and then also on the keyboard itself, which I have right here. I know it's hard to see. It's the minus key, so it's this key right here, and I'm going to try to clean this up as well. I did check it with a multimeter, and this is creating contact, but my hope is now this will actually work better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all right. Okay, it's kind of working better, I think. Yeah. I don't think it's here that's causing it. I think it's this contact. All right, let me put the keyboard back together, and I'll be back. Okay, I got the keyboard back together, and again, that one's working, that one's working, and that one's working. All right, and then all the other keys are working. All right, so I think maybe that just needed cleaning. Is that something that sometimes happens? Because it wasn't a contact otherwise. In any case, it's all I got for you today. Just a couple of hardware hacks for Amiga. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.